Did not understand the conversion of angles from ASC system to ORS system? Don't worry, I will explain it to you in 5 simple steps. Now the first step is to look at a single point cutting tool. Now don't freak out, this is a simple step, let me explain. Consider a point on the rake face which is point A and project it onto the ground which is point B. Now draw a line which passes through cutting plane and also parallel to cutting edge. Okay, this line, and it will touch the ground at point F. If I join point B and point F, the angle subtended here is lambda, which is inclination angle. Draw a line which passes through orthogonal plane and also through the rake face, and it will touch the ground at point D. And if I join point B and point D, the angle subtended here is gamma O, which is orthogonal rake angle. Similarly, draw a line which passes through the pi x plane and also the rake face, and it will touch the ground at point C. Now if I join point B and point C, the angle subtended here is gamma x, which is side rake angle. Draw a line which passes through the pi y plane and also rake face, and it will touch the ground at point E. And if I join point B and point E, the angle subtended is gamma y, which is back rake angle. Now the interesting thing here is all these 4 points C, D, E, F lie on the same line, and that line is called master line. Okay. The second step is to look at it from the top view. You can see here, this is the pi C plane, cutting plane. This is the orthogonal plane. This is the pi x plane, and this is the pi y plane. I can extend this pi x plane back here, and if I draw a line passing through F and vertical line, it will intersect at point O. Now if you remember the definition of side cutting edge angle, this is the side cutting edge angle right here. Okay. Now from this figure I can tell triangle OFC is similar to triangle BEC. So I can write OF by BE is equal to OC by BC. Now OC is nothing but OB plus BC, right? So I am going to write the same here. OC by BC is equal to OB plus BC by BC, which gives me OB by BC plus 1. Now I can write OF by BE minus OB by BC is equal to 1. Now if you look at this diagram, tan lambda is equal to AB by BF. Okay, tan lambda is equal to AB by BF, and I can write it as AB by BF into 1, and I can substitute this 1 with this 1. So I can write AB by BF into OF by BE minus OB by BC. By rearranging some terms, AB by BE into OF by BF minus AB by BC into OB by BF. Now from this figure, AB by BE is tan gamma y and AB by BC is tan gamma x. From this figure, OF by BF is cos phi s and OB by BF is sin phi s. There you have the formula of tan lambda is equal to tan gamma y into cos phi s minus tan gamma x into sin phi s. Now if you look at this diagram again, triangle BEC is similar to triangle GDC. So I can write GD by BE is equal to GC by BC. Now GC is nothing but BC minus BG. So I can write the same here. GC by BC is equal to BC minus BG by BC is equal to 1 minus BG by BC. So I can get GD by BE plus BG by BC is equal to 1. Now if you look at this diagram, tan gamma O is equal to AB by BD. Tan gamma O is equal to AB by BD is equal to AB by BD into 1. This one I can substitute with this one, so I can write AB by BD into GD by BE plus BG by BC. So I can rearrange some terms. AB by BE into GD by BD plus AB by BC into BG by BD. From this diagram, AB by BE is equal to tan gamma y and AB by BC is equal to tan gamma x. From this diagram, GD by BD is equal to sin phi s and BG by BD is equal to cos phi s. And there you have the formula tan gamma O is equal to tan gamma y into sin phi s plus tan gamma x into cos phi s. In order to simplify, we will write it in the matrix form to remember easily. And you can expand the matrix form and get the same formula again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day. I'm gonna provide a link down here in the description which contains the snapshots of these slides. You can check them out if you want.